As you can see, the shelves are fixed in a way, quite simply, and I have two kind of supports on this side, and this side is screwed tight to the wall, and on top we have timber, and that's done very similarly with screws to the wall, a long plank, and on the opposite side it's two more. So in fact the way I made it is quite simple and easy to make, and the same way on top here, it's fixed to the wall. Here is the steel bar in between, and that's how it's coming along. Well, the wife loves it, so we also like this old style recycled wood. You can check it out. It looks really cool. Guys, as you can see, my workstation is pretty beautiful. There's mist in the mountains, in the hills there, and I'm cutting the planks, the very raw planks of recycled wood, and you can see how it looks initially. Very moldy, wet, not very nice, kind of dirty as well, and I'm cutting them into the appropriate size, and I'm gonna place them in the cupboard there. So I still have a heap of planks there, but unfortunately there's some snow, so I have to dry them off first before I can actually sandpaper them, before I can clean them up nicely. But anyway, pretty beautiful surrounds. Alright guys, I'm tightening the last screw here, and as you can see, the cupboard is coming in nicely. I'm taking it slow because I need to clean all those timbers out and then make them nice and ready. Okay, but you can see already I managed to do those shelves inside the cupboard, and the shelves will be for the ladies' bags. Here the two shelves from the floor upwards, that's for the shoes, and obviously this will be the front of the cupboard, which I've already fixed to clean timbers, and at the top there will be two big shelves which I will still need to make the doors for. So hang on tight, soon you will see the end result of my work.